Lynn, this is 904, and I'm just on the terrace. And this property also has a view of the inlet, just like the 802 unit had. You're one floor higher, so it's a bit quieter. And you're only, 4 units in from the end here. That's the flooring here. And this unit, for the most part, is furnished. There's a few things that do not convey. Beautiful day. None of the units I showed you today have a hurricane impact doors. It's interesting. But I guess, with the storm shutters, the accordion shutters, you are getting that safety measure, and you will get a discount on your home insurance as well. There's a boat.